Hello and welcome to this SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation demo. Today we'll look at the automatic upload of bank statement files bot. So this bot lets you upload bank statement files received on your email directly into the S/4HANA system. So we'll jump into the process flow just to understand the different steps, and then we'll go to the system to see how this bot works. So in a typical business scenario, a business user receives many emails from the bank relating to bank statement files. Now, on a daily or weekly basis, these bank statement files have to be uploaded into the system, and it can get very cumbersome if these files are in different formats and they have to be done manually one by one. So here we have a bot that helps you with this activity. So the first step is that the executive triggers the bot to read the business user's email and download the specific bank statement files in different formats into a local folder. Once this download is done, the bot then goes through each of these files, which could be in multiple formats, for example, text format, TXT, or XML format, XML, and uploads them appropriately into the S/4HANA system. Once the upload is done, the bot then sends the email to the specific stakeholders via in Excel format. Now let's jump into the system and see the different aspects of this bot. First of all, I have my input data. So here you can see I have received 2 emails from the bank with the subject line bank file uploads for each of these months, August and September. So one set of emails has the text format input files, the TXT files. This is how the input file looks. And the other set of data has the XML format input files. So the XML format looks somewhat like this. Similar bank statement information, but in different formats. Now we'll see how the bot handles this. Now before we can run the bot, we have to first ensure that the bot is available on our Cloud Factory. So in my Cloud Factory, I'm in my Intelligent Robotic Process Automation Factory. I have an environment set up, and I have the latest version of bot, automatic upload of bank statement files, deployed. And I have also set up a trigger for this bot, so that this bot is available to me in this entire time frame for running, right? So now if I go to my desktop agent, I can see that I have my bot available, automated upload of bank statements. I will click on start to let the bot load into the desktop agent. In the meanwhile, we will look at the S/4HANA system. So I have my S/4HANA system open here, and the bot is going to use this Fiori tile called Manage Incoming Payment Files. Now this is a UI bot, and you're going to see the bot interacting with the system. I also have my local folder set up here, where the final summary details will show up after the bot execution is completed. So let us now proceed to run the bot. The bot first reads the variables in the Cloud Factory, and so on this pop-up screen, I have the option to run the upload either from my email or directly from my local folder. So in this case, we'll read the input files from the email. So let me quickly open up my email as well. So as you can see, I have an sub input folder here called RPA test. So I'm going to indicate that the bot should read the input files from there. I also have this search text, which is nothing but the subject line of the emails that I want my bot to go through to find the input data. The bot has already selected the S/4HANA system that it is going to load the information into, and the root folder where the summary details are going to be placed, I can select over here. So I'll select this root folder to save the output. I also want the bot to send an email to me, so I'll put my email address here and click on run. Now we can jump back to S/4HANA to see that the bot has started its execution. So it directly jumps into the email, downloads the files, and because there are 2 emails, this is going to process twice. So first it will process the text document, and then it will process the XML files. Now, depending on the number of emails you have, this bot will process that many times. And once the processing is complete, it will give you an output. Now, as you can see, the data has got successfully loaded, and the bot will also send me a report about this, detailing what exactly was loaded. So after the successful upload, I get this message saying the bot automated upload of bank statements is completed running. And I think I also received an email. Bot execution report. So this report, again, similar to the other bots, shows me the details of which files were loaded and the status of the upload. So it's successful. So this now brings us to the end-to-end process flow for the automatic upload of bank statement. Thank you for joining me today, and see you on the next demo.